Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining us. So today I've got this Polaris Xpedition ADV Northstar that belongs to an employee here at Rocky Mountain. And this employee loves overlanding. They like multi-day rides deep in the backcountry. So that's how we have this set up right now. And you all know the deal. When new UTVs come out, one of our favorite things to do is to design and develop aftermarket parts for them. And we have been doing nothing since this first came out. And so right now we've got this thing set up with some Polaris and Tusk parts. And I just want to walk you through and show you everything that we currently have on here and how we have it set up. But remember, this isn't everything. We're going to be developing and designing more products. So to stay tuned and to be updated for those, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. That way you do not miss out on the latest and greatest products. With that being said, let's walk you through and show you everything that we have on here right now to get ready for this first ride in this machine. So first up is we have the Rhino rack from Polaris. If you are going overlanding, you're gonna need lots of cargo capacity, and a roof rack's an easy way to do that. Your whole roof now just becomes a place that you can put cargo, great for camping gear, tons of tied out points, makes it very easy to get your gear secured. This Rhino rack, I think it looks awesome up there too, but so that's gonna just maximize cargo capacity. If you want more additional lighting, we have the rigid light bar. Again, that's from Polaris. Huge curved light bar with their mounts, goes right to the roof. Very easy to get that mounted up. If you want even more lighting, we do have the Tusk 12-inch light bar up here in the front. We've got our clamps that just go right to the bumper. Again, very simple, easy way to get additional lighting onto your UTV. As far as tires and wheels go, we've got the Tusk Terabyte. It's been one of our best-selling all-terrain style UTV tires year after year, and we've got that mounted up to the Tusk Tintic wheel. We do have a horn and signal kit that we installed on here as well. The owner of this UTV loves fender flares. Makes it a little bit wider, aggressive looking, but most importantly, it's gonna help prevent any mud, things like that from getting flung onto the side or possibly into the cab of your machine. Polaris mirrors, I like these just because nice, sleek, integrated look. So this plastic panel here completely covers this corner. And it's a shame they don't come with mirrors. I wish they did when you're buying that Northstar edition, but mirrors for us is a must-have accessory on any UTV. So with these, again, because it's Polaris, everything integrates perfectly with the windshield and the door. Easy to mount, they look awesome. Now, a couple protection accessories that we have on here is first are the AC covers, and those are from Tusk. This is an item that you're not gonna know you needed until you need it. And this is just us being proactive. We go through and we look over the entire machine and we try and find any vulnerable points, and that was one of them. We noticed that the AC lines on here are just out and exposed. And to prevent that from any damage possibly happening, we just have these aluminum covers that just go right over the top. They go to factory mounting spots, so you don't have to modify anything. They just bolt right on. And again, it's just being proactive there. Then we also do have the rock sliders on here. With these, reinforced steel, sit nice and close to your machine so they look nice and sleek. And again, if you're gonna be doing any sort of rock crawling, tight turns, things like that, it's nice to have some additional protection there on the side down low. And those, as far as mounting goes, gonna come with instructions, but simple, easy to get those mounted up. So now let's show you the side and the back, and we'll show you what we got going on back there. All right, here at the back, first thing I'll tell you before we drop the tailgate is we have our license plate mount right here. On the inside, an added safety item is the Tusk fire extinguisher mount. What's great about this mount is there's actually four locations that you can put this fire extinguisher mount. So put it up here above. You can also put it underneath the seat. You can put it on the side rail. And another location, which brings me to our next item we want to talk about, are these MOLLE panels. So you can have MOLLE panels here on the inside or the outside of the window. These are just laser cut aluminum that are powder coated black. And these just give you different options of where you want to mount different items. And this is going to be all rider preference. You could put a shovel on here. You could put the fire extinguisher there. You could put a spare belt on the inside. If you're going long distances and you need extra fuel containers with you, that's a great location to put additional fuel items. So really let your imagination run wild. You can attach anything you want to these MOLLE panels. It just gives you the ability to do so. Speaking of more cargo, so here in the bed, we have our cargo racks. Now there's small and a large cargo rack that do mount to the bed. We've got two smalls in here right now. So these are perfect location, again, to put any items. It's easy to tie down gear on these because you have so many different cutouts. Perfect location for a cooler. In fact, the owner of this UTV, that's gonna be one of his main items he puts in the bed here, is going to be a cooler. These racks make it very easy to do that. So you have the small version. The large rack is much larger and basically utilizes the entire width of the bed. So again, that's gonna be your preference. What's nice about the small racks though, is if you buy, say, just one of these, you could have it mounted up here to the far right. You could have it more in the center. You could have it all the way on the left. So it's all customizable for what's gonna be best for you. We have a third cargo rack option, which we're gonna talk about the spare tire carrier here in just a moment, but if you didn't have this spare tire carrier in here, we have another cargo rack that actually just goes to these rails and goes across the middle. So it just adds a second level of cargo space versus having it all down here on the bottom. We have these tie down anchors. We've got 4 of those in here right now. Again, these are from Tusk as well. So those utilize this rail. What's nice is that those you can move side to side. So wherever you want those to be, just another great easy way to get anything secure in the back. These you can have on the side down here low. You could have these reversed so they're up higher. You can even put them up here along the top of these rails. So very customizable. Last item we got to talk about is the spare tire carrier. And I'll be honest, when I first saw this, that was one thing I wondered is how are they going to put a spare tire carrier in here? And our engineers, they got to work, and this design, I love it. So it just mounts right to the rail that you have inside the bed. It's adjustable for different wheel offsets, just like the other vehicles that we have it built for. So you can get this nice and snug, close to the side. We've got a 30-inch spare in here right now. You can even see that it does give you the ability to mount your jack right there on the inside. So everything's all compact, all close by. But yeah, very easy to get that mounted up. Just utilizes that rail. You don't have to modify everything. You get a 30-inch spare inside there. And honestly, I just think it looks awesome having everything all inside, all compact. They did a really good job with that. And that's it. That is an overview of what we have right now for this Xpedition ADV Northstar, again from Polaris and Tusk. Any questions, comments, leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To shop everything that we talked about today, you can just click on the link down below or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, just enter the year, make, and model of any side-by-side, and you will see everything that will fit your exact machine. And lastly, y'all know the deal. All orders over $75 ship free. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.